Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve mobile app development with Firebase easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve mobile app development with Firebase, start by understanding the basics of Firebase. Begin by creating a Firebase account on the Firebase website. Once logged in, click on Add Project to start a new project. Provide a name for your project and click Continue. You can choose to enable Google Analytics. If you prefer not to, uncheck the box and click Next. Select the platform for your mobile app, either Android or iOS. For Android, register your app by entering the package name and app nickname. For iOS, input the iOS bundle ID and app nickname. After registering, download the configuration file. For Android, this is typically a Google Services.json file. For iOS, it will be a Google Service Info.plist file. Place the downloaded file in the appropriate directory of your app. For Android, add the Firebase SDK to your project by modifying the build.gradle files. Include the dependencies for Firebase services you plan to use, such as authentication or Firestore. For iOS, use CocoaPods to integrate Firebase by adding the Firebase pods to your pod file. Run pod install to install the libraries. Next, initialize Firebase in your application code. In Android, call Firebase app.initializeApp, this, in your main activity. In iOS, add Firebase app.configure, in your app delegates did finish launching with options method. Now, implement Firebase authentication to manage user sign-ins. Choose the authentication method you prefer, such as email/password or Google sign-in. Follow the Firebase docs to set up the necessary UI and backend logic. Next, leverage Cloud Firestore for real-time data storage. Create a Firestore database in the Firebase console. Use Firestore SDK methods to add, read, and update data in your app. Consider using Firebase storage for user-uploaded content like images or videos. Set up security rules to protect your Firebase resources appropriately. Monitor your app's performance using Firebase Performance Monitoring. Enable it in the console and follow the setup instructions to integrate it into your app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.